Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a compare it price onto your Shopify store. Start by opening up Shopify and go to Products. Next, choose the product you want to place a compare it price for. After that, select all of the variants of the product and choose Bulk Edit. Now go to Columns in the top right corner and select Compare it Price under Pricing. Finally, you can choose what you want your compare it price to be. If you want the same compare it price for all of your variants, fill it in once and drag it down like this. If not, you will have to fill it in one by one or copy-paste the ones you want to be the same. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.